DJI has dominated the skies with its drones, but can it conquer the world of portable power? Today we're putting the brand's first-generation power station, the Power 1000, under the spotlight. With bold claims of fast charging, quiet operation, and enough power to run most household devices, it sounds impressive. But can a company known for aerial innovation really deliver reliable power on the ground? Let's get to it. The DJI Power 1000 boasts a 1,024 watt-hour capacity, a 2,200 watt output, and a peak of 4,400 watts. This positions it among the heavyweights in portable power, capable of running most household devices from laptops and mini-fridges to power tools. The Power 1000 offers a versatile range of connectivity options. It includes two 140-watt USB-C ports for fast-charging laptops or drones, two USB-A ports for older devices, and two AC outlets capable of running appliances or power tools. The SDC and SDC Lite ports support high-wattage direct current devices, which are ideal for professional equipment. This power station stands out for its charging flexibility, offering three key methods. Grid charging delivers a full charge in just 70 minutes, while solar charging supports up to 800-watt input, ideal for off-grid use. Car charging ensures you're covered on the road. At 23 decibels, the Power 1000 is quiet, making it ideal for noise-sensitive environments. If you're working in a home office or outside camping, you'll enjoy the uninterrupted focus and peace. With DJI's intelligent battery management system, it's designed to protect against overcharging and overheating. The LFP battery cells provide a lifespan of 4,000 cycles, or roughly 10 years of regular use. Now, how does it stack up against competitors? The EcoFlow Delta II and Anker Solix C1000 are strong rivals. The Delta II offers expandable capacity and a well-established ecosystem, while the Solix C1000 combines portability with reliable performance. DJI's Power 1000 matches and in some cases exceeds them in power output, but its fixed capacity could be a limitation for those needing scalability. So, is the DJI Power 1000 a bold power revolution or a high-stakes gamble? It's powerful, versatile, and quiet with promising specs that could shake up the portable power market. We found it best suited for outdoor enthusiasts, content creators, and drone pilots looking for extended flight time. Full specs and pricing are in this video's description. Consider subscribing for more outdoor tech, and as always, thanks for watching.